located 7 nautical miles. The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Oconto County, east central Langlade County, until 5 p.m. At 4:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near White Lake, or 20 miles east of Go, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include White Lake, Langlade, Lakewood, Boot Lake Campground, Boulder Lake Campground, Hollister, and Lily. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Langlade, and Oconto.